Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and one I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it in so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, the TikTokers from Jamaica is doing more than tops and roses. They seem to be joining the Nigerians when it comes to this romantic romance scam. You see me, I say, putting out a comment section what you think about that, because the Jamaican TikTokers on TikTok receiving gifts have a different outlook on things. Some people are saying Abel didn't do nothing wrong. Some people is saying he is indeed a predator. You see it. And if you want to see him bottom picture with some hemorrhoids, when I can swing over to my King mix-up over on Twitter page, you see my but we're gonna get into what Ivany and Dyema and that big mouth girl K say, you see it? I mean, yeah.
Barney, they may not give people, suppose she's a kind person and she feel like say, this man has brought me to my darkest days. I will do anything for him.
Well, you make sense. You
think like that. You have people who, because maybe money come easy for them, their sanity mean more. Love mean more than money, because money easy for them, Barney. Yeah. And you have to remember, say no, Mrs. Somebody say, she shouldn't do this and she shouldn't do that. And all of we can say it and say, me tougher than this. Not for we confide in a blood clot man. Because the moment to start confiding in a woman, they turn power blood clot, just like what Dyema said.
So when you say
you have a fear, no matter which line tell you, you have a believe because he is here for you.
Yeah,
in the moment when you need
the bigger picture now.
Just like
when I talk about man and woman, what you say, you make sense. Yes, it makes sense for true. But let's talk about what is the problem. That the part they are true and the part they can't. That is not a big issue right now with feeling.
And that part they mean it talk about.
And Barney, you know, say Barney. You know, so that's true.
About the bigger issue. All right. Why she start all of this now? More than Raja England and the woman wants to Raja England, he start all of this too. Why could it start?
No, Barney, no, that's not true.
Story a long time.
That's not true.
Remember, for them story a long time story, you know. So why
but you have to remember this now. You have to remember this now, Barney. Based on what Raja said. Remember, say Raja and the woman. Good. Raja never know nothing. Based on what Raja said, Raja never know where the woman are able to go to or whatever.
You them at it right now.
You see me? Raja said, the woman said, he able send a long paragraph. You see now? He able send a long paragraph to Raja. But you not understand. You refuse to understand that. Sometimes you have to think before you get up and fix time. That's when people come with evidence and proof. When people come with evidence and proof, it's so different from here.
You must be blood clot, mad guys. He wrong when he says because there is no way you can see a man compare TikTok and I beg 6 bills and you go tell we say you go voice your opinion and say you don't think he need the 6 bills. Or you know so the man really need the $600.
Barney, let me tell you something, Barney. Barney.
Barney. You want to say you go back for your life.
Barney. Barney.
Guys, you take me out for 45 now.
Where you said that, man?
Barney, I me say, Barney. You see, when people see that part that me did wrong with him for too. Cause if you see somebody come up and beg something, that you're not gonna ask you something you don't really want.
Damn, at the end of the day, you can beg whatever you want, beg. Are you see me? Double team, double.
Barney, you see me? Anybody try to stop food over my table, me eat every life, you know.
All right, you see, you can't do that. You can't do that. First thing, if a man come on life, come beg a thing, if you want if you beg it. Because you know, things say the whole social media look upon him say, boy, me I come beg 6 bills. What is a 6 bills? So I come beg when they know so you can go text Vany and beg Vany that in the DM of Vany give you. So that means a man really want it and the man then a beg And I like him a beg worldwide. Him depend him platform a beg. You understand? Ines say
Just like how one year, you know, I'm a generator.
Ines say tag
Just
Bonella.
ask for.
Ines say tag Vani. Him depend him platform. Ines say fi share the life. Him a begging team. And me go over there go see him a begging team. And me decide to me go and call for me team and me help him. So me I make able know say you're wrong right there so.
Yeah, them the two part there. Them the two part there. As me give him rank for that part there. Yeah, me give him rank for that
And
part.
me say me not pick up in none of them. And me can't say Raja in at this point. Raja can't wrong in a nowhere. You understand? Cause Raja not do nothing. So Raja not wrong in a no farmer way. Cause Raja the one where they sit down a chat. And if Raja hear one news that somebody sit down and chat, he might go concuss. Raja not wrong in a no farmer way. Anybody that turn on their live and concuss too. But we are talking about Abel and the woman. Abel and the woman.
Right,
That's why people
see one part where Abel said. Me see one part where Abel said Raja should have bring it on the internet. Him should have called him. No, you have put a conversation to people on the internet. Upon the internet, people are gonna bring back the conversation. It now gonna be one secret conversation no more. When the internet people you are dealing, you have to understand that.
right.
You have to understand that. Internet people who don't make cause all of this. So internet it have a go right now.
Thank you.
Well, me not tell no lies still, you know. Me I be honest, you know.
Guys,
Yes,
somebody
it's- we
tell me
have-
after 45, 46 now. Come here,
Listen,
me now,
who
come
just
on,
step on the
friend.
platform and me can't hear nothing. Me not tell no lies still, you know. You see anything we on the media, if you're a media person, me I know, hey, me tell you something, me I nobody na chat for no WhatsApp, you know. He's all married and come chat here so loud and plain, you know. Because nobody now go say me say. And if you're not a media person, things are going to come on the media.
But Diamond,
Thank
guess what
you.
going on? But guess what going yesterday when me didn't understand? When me attack Abel make me know say it's a film opinion when Vice or Raja don't need it. And me tell Abel say Abel that is a hypocrite right there because guess what? You never voice the opinion on social media, you know. You voice it privately with you and Lady Louise. So you voice it privately and through the woman contact now, it's a problem. So you feel like say you're not gonna sit down and chat that with somebody because you think you trust her, but yet still you still want to be friends with Raja knowing say you chat Raja. So you never expect that it would have got so. So now it got so that is why you're mad. So me as a friend I tell you say you're wrong too. Because there's no way you have your friend and you sit down and chat your friend with a gifter and then when you look your friend gonna eat food. Yeah, your friend gonna eat food. Me tell him so that is a friend killer.
Barney, let me tell you something, Barney. Let me tell you. Barney, let me tell you something, boy, yes, so. Nobody behind the camera. Nobody behind the camera and that's all no friend. Everybody just come and work, socialize and cut. Because people don't know what is friendship.
All right to come on the media and cuss.
Guys, catch his speed,
And
guys.
not him alone do it. Everybody do it. Everybody
Guys,
chat
I'm taking
everybody.
off a
If you see someone chatting up blood class.
Yeah.
And me can call chatting and we chatting with my friend and we say, you know, something I like when somebody do this and I like when she do that and you know so she friend I like I'm still going on my media, I want to send me request, I'm still play with you know a life, nobody not perfect. A life. Enough time Barney do things and me know so enough time we sit down off of the air and say, boy, you know something I like a Barney do that door. And when
But one thing me like with Barney,
request, you know, accept me.
Barney, let me tell you what me like with you. You say if you know say you're wrong, you will take you wrong. You will take you and say, all right, guy, whatever. People might say Barney this and Barney that, no, but people can't vibe opinion to you, you will listen.
Guys, push up his
Barney, me need to get that, you know. I'm going to tell you how me say, you say, I not like you, I not play with you, you know. Me not, you can't ask on it, like. Me don't want nobody fault me if you play there, if you not like
So me
you.
come to Dyema.
You know, you fault me if you play there, if you not like you, me not add you.
What your people me play with all the time. And once me your blood clot fall out, me you now come back on the screen.
Yeah.
I put big people and put with difference aside.
Alright, me see me have candy, listen.
Person.
Yeah, me see me have candy fall out, you know. I'm eating well about me now. Cause something, let me tell you something. You tell me this me once, you can't this me twice, you know. And me go dance and see candy and now yell candy, you know, cause I'm serious, you know. And Roger say, no man, Dyema, stop. Go and go yell candy. Say I want tears, I mean I yell on candy and candy come and say, stop one some man Dyema, whatever. Cause me tell you something, you know. Any you diss me, you know. And me deep down up here. Me not deal with you, okay? Me not deal with you, okay?
Yeah.
Not deal with you. And me some man me have up you.
Sure.
Guys, you don't put tab please and put up the score.
And that's why I don't like going away with nobody go sit down and Laugh up, laugh up. When me go with TikTok and I'm
Sorry, all I'm
when me go with TikTok and me focus on my phone. Cause me know that people here.
Nina.
Tikene, me a take goat and me a take like. And when me a take goat. When me a take goat and me a take to the party. And me up your case, sister, me say take. We gonna drink my juice on the party. Me don't know. Me a take and I'm gonna go respond. And I me a tell K.
Party come to party. And
Party come and make K one up. That's it. Me go on my business that works.
Yeah. Stop what? Stop. It's a conversation. It's an open conversation to everybody. What are you saying?
Well,
Hey,
Me not friendly, you know. These are the friendly person, you know. So you see, if you see me in a real life, I'm here hug up you. I see me, I really make my spirit off. Me tell you all me stay. My spirit off genuinely take up a talk up here, some stay. And my spirit not take up me, we won't deal with you.
If it
I like deal with people who understand me. You so only understand me. I only know some miserable only understand me. I'm more me get mad. Me tell you, see, I only want to see you so. You say me do only see me only like. Only I might not say it right, I say no. But you see, soon as we not have life, only they call me and say, Dyema, you know you did something where I didn't like, and only they tell me, man. I want to say, all right, Onela. No, but I feel like Onela not telling mine. He might tell you now, he might call us the first and foremost Dyema. You did something a little while ago, and I never liked it.
Me I tell you, Asha, they not even want top his cream.
So nobody feel say, when you see me, I want to go out to the day game or no. You saw they done, only they call my phone and say, first of all, Dyema, you did something all right, that's true, sorry. Yeah, no, but I feel like someone not call you and tell you. Only laugh as if phone screen click up on the set.
point, guys.
You did something that I didn't like. I only tell you plain. You tell
Me not like the public embarrassment. You see, if we say we're a friend, I feel like we can.
This whole situation, me just feel like Roger situation, Roger no wrong in no farmer way because him no do nothing. He was the people didn't chat him.
Nobody can take
So
me
me feel like it told them my friend able just apologize for you look at you Louis don't chat him and you just move on. That's it, done.
Let me tell you something about Roger that people don't understand. You see Roger.
You and Louis chat.
Barney, you see Roger.
At this point. Just apologize for state your opinion. I will chat him, say if you don't want to accept it, I want to move on, and it done this so. That's all.
Let me tell you about Roger. Roger just ignorant and dark and just chat. Come on, time. Roger is listen. Roger is genuinely like people. All of you chat up him out. Roger genuinely have a little nice friendliness about him. Load as a CB, and Roger genuinely like people.
Yes.
So I can say, I use better use them back. He not use back nobody. He not use back nobody. He just a chat to a customer.
Let me tell you something.
Roger genuinely like friendly.
Makes me upset. If we're being honest, guys, and I don't know if he spoke this is not the first time he's heard like that Amy says.
Me I try to come off of 46. And this morning I call him and tell you 300 guys, catch a speed, I want triple.
500.
Guys, catch a triple. 300. Miss Anulu, kiss me again now,
Not because it's nothing more except for his sickness, because he felt like he could have died, and if it was
all right, yes. What me get funny? Only like CMT me get funny. You know what me get funny? He must say he could have went. I body he must say he could have dead. And then you go say not the dream. I just that body most of all.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, that was just part 1, and we're gonna put part 2 on the Boom Bye Bye news channel in like an hour. So just give me some time because you have some other male artists defending Able Boss Bottom sending to man. Yeah, I can't believe this. So I forgot to review that on the Boom Bye Bye news channel. Yes, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.